Hello everyone. So in this walkthrough video, the feature of the application that I'm going to cover is the inventory module. So it is quite robust module and I'll try my best to be quick about it so that I can walk you through uh, with all the features of the inventory module. So currently I am on the dashboard of the application and I am logged in as a client. My role is client. And I can see all the vehicles that I have added in this section. This is a basic, you can say, dashboard of the application. So, in order to access the inventory module, I have two access point. The first one is I'll click on view all. It will land me to directly to inventory section, and I can also switch to own cars. These are all my cars that I have added in the application. I have the edit, delete, and all other options available. And here I can see the inventory section. And the second approach is I can go to this profile section. I'll click on the inventory part and it will land me over here. So, in this section of inventory, as you can see, we have displayed the number of records that are available in the system, number of vehicles that are available in the system, according to the data that we are fetching. And user is able to see lots of vehicles as well once he will start like scrolling. I'll scroll, so we are lazy loading the vehicles up so that application don't feel too much load on it. And these vehicles are sorted as per the interest of the user, you could say that. So as soon I'll apply some filters, I'll apply some search, I'll do any other like filtering on the inventory, the results count will increase or decrease accordingly. First of all, I'm going to go with the search section of the application. So this is the grand search of the inventory. It has two sections, search history and the popular search. Search history is based on my search, and the popular search is overall what people are searching on this application. So I can also clear all my history in one go with clear all, and I can also manually clear my search history from here. So let me just clear this Honda Civic, and this is the only item I have available on the account at the moment in my search history. So popular search, if let's say I can see that people are very much buying or searching for Honda Civic, and I also like Honda Civic, I'll just click on Honda Civic over here and it will display all the Honda Civic that is available on the system. I can go into the details and I can see everything about that specific vehicle. All the images are over here. I can click on an image. I can see a full preview of the image as well. Then uh, Carfax related information is also displayed over here. If a vehicle is verified from Carfax, record is good. We display this section. If we don't have that kind of information available, then we don't display this section over here that you guys are seeing. Then we have the vehicle detail section, engine, body type, make, model, transmission, all the information that we can provide to our users, we are displaying it over here. And at the very bottom, I have the inquire button. So once I'll click this inquire button, this pop-up comes up and I can send an inquiry to my, you can say, sales manager. So as soon I'll type something up, the inquiry will be sent to my sales manager and he'll see that this client of ours is interested in this specific car. He can arrange that car for me. If he cannot arrange the same car, he can like arrange something like that, like similar car to that, and he will contact me like uh, it's pretty much what sales people or sales role will do in the application. So let me just send an inquiry. Okay, so my inquiry is now submitted, and the sales manager will contact me. He can chat with me, and he can like suggest me similar cars to this one that I have like submitted an inquiry on. So additionally, what I can do is I can favorite this car, mark as favorite, and it will be added to my favorite list. I can later on check this vehicle up, and it will be available on my site, on my session, or you can say on my site simply. Let me just go back and show you guys how the filters are working. I'll just clear my search for now. Go back to the very normal. Go to the filter section. Over here, I have all my saved filters available on the top bar. So the filter options that I have available are make and model, price, body type, year, color, condition, search, and location. I can also search things up. I can I can filter vehicles up on the base of my location as well. So if I want to search a vehicle within 25 kilometers, 100 kilometers, something like that, I can do it as well. So currently, let me just go ahead and select, say, Audi. And I generally like Audi, and I'll be willing to like see any of the Audis available in the system. I'll apply it up, and I don't want any price filter, although I can add it. Body type, all these filters I can apply. So I have two options. I can just save and apply this filter, and I can also like simply apply this filter. It will not be saved. So just for the sake of uh, you know, uh, you can say just for the sake of displaying the feature, showing the feature, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and select, let's say, used. I want to see all these used, all these not new ones, and I'll just simply apply it up. So these are all the results that my filter get me. This is 32829, like 32,828 vehicles are found or Audis are found under this filter. I can remove a specific filter as well. I just cleared this used one. So it is showing me new and mixed, new and used both. I can, clear this up as well. It won't have much effect. It is showing me like if any other Audi is available in the system apart from the list that we have, it will also display that. So records, you know, keeps on adjusting as I will adjust my filters. Let me just go back to the filter that I have. Like, let me just clear this one and show you guys how the location filter works. So I'll go to the filter section, select this one filter that I already have available. It is Acura 2.2 CL, and I have my location turned off. I'll click over here, it will fetch my location, current location, and I can search within these, radiuses. Let's select 250 kilometer. Depending upon my location, there are no Acuras available in the area. Even in this country, Acura is not available. So I'll just apply it and I'll show it to you guys that it won't bring any of the results over here. No data found related to that. So that's how the inventory section works, and that's how everything is in the inventory module. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and display the next phase or feature of the application.